guys, it's Sav and Jane.
And today we're making Play-Doh.
So yeah, let's get on to the video.
Alright guys, to make Play-Doh you're going to need a half a cup of water. You're going to need a cup of flour and a half of a cup of salt.
So now we're going to combine those.
Also food coloring, is optional. Okay, I'm going to make yellow and Jane's going to make red. So yeah, now we're just going to mix all those together and make it.
So we've put in all the ingredients, now we're going to mix it. We have ours finished.
Play-Doh. Yeah, Jane is red, and then mine, I put red in it, so it's like a yellowy red. But I made mine smaller, and I gave some to Haley, because she wanted some.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.
Have a good holiday season.
Bye.
Peace.
Christmas time is here.